Every artist should learn how to draw a bowl of fruit.
For this lesson, you're going to need a piece of dark colored construction paper, a dark blue or a black or a dark purple, and you're going to need some oil pastels. You're going to start by drawing your bowl. You're going to have just a curved line, slightly curved line in the center of the paper of the color of your choice. I'm using a silver oil pastel here. I'm going to go ahead and draw all the shapes that I need in the beginning so you can kind of see everything all at once. This is going to be an apple, and what you have to remind the children when they're drawing is that the apples and oranges and other fruits are going to be overlapping each other. So you're not going to draw the whole fruit. Some of it's going to be down inside the bowl, some of it's going to be behind another piece of fruit. So you're only drawing part of them. For the pear, I'm drawing two circles, a big circle and a little circle. And then I'm just kind of tracing around those to make them one whole shape. And then for the grapes, I'm going to draw several circles or ovals on top, kind of on top of each other, again kind of overlapping, and sometimes the grapes will kind of fall down over the side of the bowl, so I'm going to make it look like that. And then I'm going to draw a line on each side of the bowl, try to make them as even as I can, and that's going to be the edge of the table in the background. Now I'm going to color everything in. I've colored in the fruit, and now I'm going to color in the table. And the background can be colored in, or you can choose not to. That's up to you, but I like to color it in. I like the effect that it has with the oil pastels on the colored paper. Kind of gives it a painted look to it. Now I'm using a white oil pastel to add some highlights. You need to consider where your light source is coming from, like if there's a window or if there's a lamp, wherever the light's coming from. And all of the fruit will have a little highlight on that side. And I'm just kind of using my finger to kind of rub it in a little bit. And now I'm going to use some darker colors, a darker orange and a darker green, to give a little bit of shadow in between these fruits, because they're going to cast shadows on each other as well. And now I'm also using a brown to create a shadow for the bowl. The color of the table is sort of a beige kind of color, so I'm using brown for the shadow. And now I'm going to add a stem with a dark green for the grapes and using brown for the stems for the